In this video I'm going to share with you one of the best pressure cooker available on Amazon right now, which is the Ninja FD 401 Foodi 8-quart 9-in-1 Deluxe XL. I will leave a link in description for more information. The following are some of components of Ninja Foodi Deluxe. In first place is the TenderCrisp technology. This quickly pressure cook ingredients to lock in juices, then give them a crispy, golden air fryer finish. In second place is extra large 8-quart ceramic coated pot. This pressure cooker has an extra large capacity, non-stick, PTFE PFOA-free, and easy to hand wash. In third place is the extra large 5-quart cook and crisp basket. It has an extra large capacity, ceramic coated, PTFE PFOA-free non-stick basket, is dishwasher safe and holds up to a 7-pound. You can cook chicken to feed your whole family. In number 4 is the Deluxe reversible rack. It's steam and broil, as well as TenderCrisp up to 8 chicken breasts at once or add servings to layered 360. Together with the above components, Ninja FD 401 has 9 functions, which include the following: pressure cook, air fry, air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, saute, bake, roast, broil and dehydrate. When you purchase this Ninja FD 401 pressure cooker, you will be given 45 recipes inspiration guide featuring delicious recipes to get you started in your Ninja Foodi Deluxe. This item has undergone rigorous safety testing to give you peace of mind while you cook. The price for this item is just $148.99. Visit the link in description to order on Amazon before the offer ends. Welcome.